Here is the unboxing video of Gigabyte J1800M-D3P motherboard. It's a fusion motherboard. The MRP of the product is mentioned as 5,000 rupees, but I got it for around 4,500. Here is the model name, J1800M-D3P. The specifications of the product: it has a Celeron dual core processor, 2.41 GHz. We can see more on the specifications once I unbox the product. Here's a look at the back panel. It has 4 USB 2 ports, 1 LAN port, 3 audio ports, 1 USB 3 port, 1 HDMI, 1 VGA, and 1 useless LPT printer port. That's pretty much it. Let's unbox the product. The box contains the motherboard. It has 2 SATA cables. The board also has only 2 SATA ports. It has a back panel door. It has a motherboard CD and a user manual. Let's remove the cover. Here is the motherboard. It's a small form factor motherboard. Like I said earlier, it's a fusion motherboard. The processor is actually attached with the motherboard. There are no processor cooling fan in this model, but you can attach one. The board has 2 full-size RAM slots compatible with DDR3 RAM type, 2 SATA ports, 3 PCIe ports. You can attach a graphics card in this motherboard. Here is the back panel. Like we saw already on the box cover, it has the same number of ports. It has 1 USB 3 port, which is quite useful. Here are the front USB connectors. It has 2 USB connectors, so you can have 4 USB ports in the front panel. And next to it are the front panel connectors for power switch, reset switch, hard disk LED, power LED, etc. That's it, guys. This is the ultra low cost motherboard processor combo, and it works really well for browsing and watching movies. If you want a motherboard for office work, this is the one. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next video.